Stop wasting time on manual 3D posing. I have built a secret workflow. It lets you steal perfect poses from any photo, fix that fake plastic skin, and auto-generate missing body parts instantly. I have built a workflow that gives you total control. And here, I added options so you can instantly select your image resolution and a simple switch to choose between GGF or Safe Tensors models. But the real magic is in the hacks. So let's look at my screen and I'll walk you through exactly how I use this. So first, we need to make sure the AI perfectly understands the pose. Here is my first big secret. You must add the Qwen-VL node, but make sure you download the specific one created by aistudynow.com. I go into the node settings and I select the preset named Prompt Body Posture from the list. And when I do this, it automatically writes a perfect text describing the body position for you so the model understands exactly what to do. Also, one extremely important thing. To make this hack work, you must have the VNCCS PoseStudio V5 LoRA. You must download this and save it in your LoRa's folder. Make sure you enable this LoRA. If you disable it, the trick breaks and you'll get completely random backgrounds. Now, let's look at our first example. I have created an on-off button for camera 1, which is the 3D studio, and camera 2, which lets you use any image. So here I am enabling camera 2. First, you have to load this image. I am uploading a picture of a woman showing her middle finger. This is a very hard pose for AI because all the fingers are closed except for one. Then I write this specific trigger text in the prompt. Draw character from image 2 and just hit run. Now we have got the result, and as you can see, it successfully captured the correct posture. But look closely. When you zoom in, you find it looks a little bit plastic. The Qwen 2511 model does this a lot. So we have to go to the second step and add details. Watch my mouse cursor movement. I go to the VNCCS Qwen Detailer group and I select face using the face YOLO V8 detector. And I hit run again. As a result, it successfully crops the face and enhances it. But it still looks a little bit like AI. So now I have to enable the Z image turbo group at the end of the workflow. And I hit run one last time. And look at that. The plastic skin problem is completely fixed and she looks incredibly realistic while keeping the exact hand pose. Now let me show you a second example. First, I'm going to disable the add details and Z image groups. And why is that? Because if you have low VRAM, keeping everything loaded in your memory will slow your PC down. So we bypass them for now. Here, my new reference image is only a half body shot, but I want a full body picture. Watch what happens. And automatically guess what the bottom half should look like. But we want to control exactly what she is wearing. Then I go back to the text prompt and I just add these words to our instruction. Women wearing jeans. And hit run. You can see it successfully generated her full body and perfectly added the jeans to the woman. That is how easily you can fix missing body parts and control clothing. But what if you actually want to use the VNCCS PoseStudio to build a custom pose from scratch? So let me show you exactly how to do it. First, I select this switch to enable camera 1 to turn the 3D studio back on. Now, I want to change her pose. And for that, here is a secret hack to make moving the body super easy. First, you have to click on the tiny yellow dot on the joint. When you click that yellow dot, you'll see these 3D colored circles pop up around it. Then you just click and hold one of the circles and drag your mouse to move the arm anywhere you want. I use these circles to quickly bend the elbow and create my perfect custom position. Next, I go back to my text prompt and I delete the wearing jeans text because we do not need it. And just leave our magic trigger phrase, draw character from image 2. And just type enter. As you can see, it successfully captured our exact custom pose perfectly. But what if we want to add perfect cinematic shadows? Don't worry, you do not need to type long prompts. We can do it directly in the node. And here is the secret for perfect lighting. I take this wire from the lighting prompt hook on the PoseStudio and I connect it directly to my text 1 box. Next, I open the lighting menu right here in the 3D Studio. I select a light, change its direction and drag it to the side of my 3D dummy. And hit enter. And look at that. You can see it successfully read my 3D lights and added beautiful, dramatic lighting to our final image. We got perfect shadows without typing a single word about lighting. This VNCCS hack is absolutely incredible. It gives you total control. You can steal a pose from a photo, fix that plastic AI skin. You can download my exact workflow file in the description below so you can try this right now. I hope you loved this workflow, and if this helped you, please like the video and comment what you want to learn next. And subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.